Guys, my name is McRae, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to chip and how to putt. So what I'm going to start off with is chipping. So what we have here is we have the green. We're going to be slightly off the green to begin, and what you're doing with your chip is you're going to try and get the ball onto the green so you can putt. So what we're going to start off with first is we're going to look at the clubs that you use. So you're going to use a 9 if you want to have a closer shot, and an 8 if you're going to want to have a deeper shot. The 9 is also going to give you more loft on your ball. So whenever you hit, what we're going to be doing is we'll look at first the stance. So we're going to have the feet about 8 inches apart, and what we're going to have is our knees slightly flexed, and we're going to put the ball on the back foot if we want to have more loft. So for the shot, what we're going to have is we're going to look at the grip next. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the club with our opposite hand that we'd used to write with, put the thumb right down the middle, then we're going to take the dominant hand, put that hand on top, put the index finger interlocking with the pinky, and put the thumb on top of the other thumb. So now, putting the two together, what we're going to have is those 8 inches apart. We're going to put the ball at the back foot. Then what we're going to do is we're going to line up our shot directly with the hole. What we're going to do is we're going to let the club do all the work. We're not going to hack down at the ball to try to get in the air. What we're going to do is we're going to swing through the ball and have the club do all the work. Let the degrees on the shaft indicate how much loft you put on it. So having the knees slightly flexed, those 8 inches apart, we're going to have a slight backswing, and then with the slight backswing, you're going to aim at the hole, get the ball in the air, and then come really close to the hole. And now that we're on the green, we can look at putting. So now that we're at putting, we're going to have very similar stance and similar backswing and similar grip. So because putting, we're on the green now, we're not actually going to be taking as big of a backswing. So we're going to have the club in our hand. We're going to have the same grip as before. You can have different grips if you'd like. You're going to interlock that pinky and that index finger. Go up to the ball. This time you're going to have your feet about 1.5 feet back of the ball, 6 to 8 inches apart, and what's going to happen is the ball, instead of being on the back foot to get more loft, like in chipping, what we're going to have is the ball directly in the middle of in between your feet. So next what you're going to do is you're going to line up your putt, you're going to lock your wrists, and now that your wrists are locked, you're going to use your shoulders to swing with your backswing. So you line up your shot, bring your shoulders back, hit the ball, make the putt. So thank you very much, and good golfing.